In this video, I am just going to show you how you can redeem your points on Google Cloud Platform when you are participating on the 30 days of Google Cloud program. So as you all know about 30 days of Google Cloud program, I made lots of videos on this how you can participate in this, and I think that the registration for this program was closed, and now I am just going to show you if you registered for this program, because many lots of my subscribers got registered for this by the different type of methods. I also update them through my telegram group with link and as well as some notification which is available. You can see this is my telegram group, 924 members are there, and you can see here I update lots of by lots of messaging, and there is no spamming in this group because there is only one way connect, only one way talk here. And if you wants to ask anything, you can dm on telegram me as well. So here you can see I update time by time, so that many of the students got opportunity to participate in this 30 days of Google Cloud program. So now I am just going to show you about how you can avail if you got registered for this program. Now how you can avail your points. So here you can see there is a program that is called 30 days of Google Cloud program, and many of the students got this email after successful of registration. Many of the students also doesn't get, I think total means a very few students doesn't get this email, and they get this email by 27th, means by tomorrow evening. So if you doesn't get, then that doesn't worry, you also got this email as soon as possible. This is update from QClaps. So this is the thing. Now I'm just going to show you how you can avail your credit. So this is if you want to know about 30 days of Google Cloud program, you can just tap on this and you find this tab. So there is nothing new, I already made all lots of videos on this. Next thing is how you can avail your credit. So the first thing is, here it is written that open an incognito mode in your browser. So first thing, that if you are signing in QClaps with your email or Gmail account, through which you can meet your account on QClaps, then if it is available on your PC, and if you are using only that email account, only that account through QClaps, then there is nothing to do, means in incognito mode. You can directly do in the normal way also. So I'm just going to show you in the normal way, because I doesn't think because I already sign in on my account lots of time, so there is nothing problem I think I will face. So here you can see you need to access this code. You can see here unique access code. So this access code is unique for all, and once it is used, no one can use it. So this is my unique access code, and I'm just copied it here. And now there is a link, you can see here, go to this link. Here you can see there is a link, this link, and when you tap on it, you find a tab, this tab. So this here you need to put your code which you copied, and I just put it. And yeah, firstly it's verified that you are not a robot, and for verifying it's asked for some questions which you face when you start any QClaps labs. So just submit it as you, here you can see I'm just submitting it. And after that you can see here this is my account, and I am just signing in with this. And after signing in with the access code, you just go through a tour of QClaps and Google Cloud. You find this uh, in the catalog, and you just start this and invest total 5 minutes on this, at least 5 minutes, so that they can verify you. And also there is a thing that there is also, if you doesn't got your directly your account, then just sign in you in your account, you got your credit when you complete this lab. After signing in, you just go for a tour of QClaps and Google Cloud, this lab. And when you complete this lab, you got your credit as well as your monthly subscription. So there is nothing to worry about that. So here you can see my lab is started. And also when 5 minutes is completed, you can leave this lab at least 5 minutes you need to give. And here you are going to learn about the quick labs. So how quick labs work, there are lots of confusion. So there you can see in all the labs you got some instruction, so that if you follow all the instruction, you can complete all the labs. There are some you can see here, there are some videos, tutorials as well as some photos, so that you can complete. And this the things which you can see here, these are the questions, and these are not a mandatory things, you can do if you want. And when you complete, you just submit it. So there is nothing, means it is not a compulsory to complete. And if you can leave also, as well as there are some tasks given in all the labs. This the first lab, that is this a tour of quick labs and Google Cloud. This is not a mandatory lab, this is only for optional, so that you can learn about the quick labs. And when you complete all the things, there is always a test your understanding things, and track your progress. In this lab it is not available, in other labs it is track your progress. And when you go and tap on that, you can find how much the lab you completed. So if you want to see all the labs to complete, it means if you have any confusion in any labs, firstly I'm just showing that, I'm just recommend you to complete all the labs one by one. And there is nothing to do, means there is nothing to worry. If you have any confusion about the lab and any problem you are facing to complete it, just refer my channel. This is my channel Career Ignite, you find the link in the description. And when you go through it, I made a separate playlist to complete this whole program of 30 days of Google Cloud. You can see this is the first lab, this is the first video where I mention about the program. And if you this all videos are in Hindi, but the lab videos, there is nothing to worry, because there is no voice back, only there are any playback music, or there is some, there is a playback music, or there is no sound. So you can see here a total playlist. Here I already uploaded lots of videos, total 12 videos are there in this playlist. And you can start your Google 30 days of Google Cloud program. You just the thing which you need to do is, I'm just going to mention, firstly go and subscribe and just save that playlist, so that you can access all the things. You just go and subscribe my Telegram channel, so that I will update if I add any videos, I will share the notification on the Telegram. As well as if you want to complete all the program, so there is a trick, so that you can easily complete any of the lab. That you firstly start with the, firstly you watch the video which is available on my channel. So here you can see, firstly go and watch that videos. If you are new and beginner on the quick labs, so firstly go and watch the video in the 2x speed. And when you complete that, you got an idea to complete that lab. And after that you just start any lab and start doing. And if you faced any difficulties in that, so go back to that video which you watched, and start means watch that video once again. And if you're facing any problem, go to that time stamp and watch that step and complete that video, complete that lab as well. So there is nothing problematic or difficulty in this quick labs. So these are very easy labs. And if you are beginner, then you may face some difficulties because of the things which is available here, because these are the cloud computing things, and different type of applications which is related to cloud is there. So maybe you are facing some difference here, but there is nothing to worry, because there are all the guidelines are available in the lab as well as. And if you are facing any problem while doing, then there are lots of videos. You just go on my channel, and already 12 videos are there. Means if you start doing today, then you can complete two skill badges now. So here you can see all the labs are updated in the very efficient way, so that you can complete in limit in very less time. So here, these are the whole things which I wants to explain. And here you can see my 5 minutes will be going to complete 45-minute labs, and now it is showing 40 minutes. And when that time is completed, I just submit it. So this type of things, if you want to know how you can complete any lab, so there is a I already made all the labs, and there is a separate playlist for you for 30 days of Google Cloud. And as one more thing, that you can participate on learn to earn program as well. This is because this is a challenge, this is not a Google Cloud program, this is from Quick Labs, and this is a challenge. So you can participate it, you can get this badge as well. And one more thing, that if you complete any labs in here in learn to earn program, then you doesn't need to complete in 30 days of Google Cloud, because the labs here only labs are given, here there are skill badges are given. So if you complete any lab here by registering in this program learn to earn and complete any lab, then you doesn't need to do once more in this program. As well as there is a two there are chances to get two goodies in this program, because by completing learn to earn program, this is a separate program. And if you complete any of the means, if you complete some badges here, then you also got some goodies and swags from Google Cloud and Quick Labs. And if you complete here the skill badges and tracks by going through the program syllabus, then you also got some prizes as well and some goodies as well. So these are the things. I think you got that. There are two tracks. Cloud engineering track I already updated with skill badges 1 and 2, so you can complete that now. And after that, I am just going to upload all the things, all the skill badges one by one, so you can complete it in very less time when you go through my videos. So that's much in this video. I think you got all about this program. And if you got registered, so follow the Career Ignite channel as well, and save that playlist which is available here for 30 days of Google Cloud. I'm just going to drop down in the description. I am just going to put the link so that you can go through that, and you can save that playlist as well, and subscribe that Career Ignite channel, so that you got updated with all of the things, and you can complete this 30 days of Google Cloud program in very efficient way. And you can learn as more as you want in this 30 days of Google Cloud program. So that's much in this video. I think you got all the things. And please subscribe, like and share if you like this video. Thank you for watching.